Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would adjust your mirrors, your side mirrors on your Kia Forte of a 2019. So with your key in the on position and the accessories, we've got a switch here for the left and the right, and we're on the left, and then you can adjust the mirror in and out, up and down, and get it to your preference you'd like to drive. And then you switch it to the right, and you can do the same thing over there. And if your mirror isn't adjusting, if it's just one side, it could really be the mirror unit itself. But if it's both sides, it's most likely a connection here or this switch itself that can be easily replaced. So thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.